beses na dito sa bottom tier ko. Hindi pagod.
Magaling ka naman eh. Bukas acting. Nakakita mo.
Eh, meron pang weekend dito sa acting. So,
Kunay kasi hindi ako pusong bato.
ha?
Kasi wala akong emotion, di ba, pag acting.
You can act. Alam ko you can act. Yung love story tayo, pinipin ako na fresh. And parang wrong time, pero I've moved on na. Remember when I told you, accidentally started to like someone. Ito yan. Nag-fall. Pero ngayon, okay na. To get over kasi, syempre, sinasabi mo na merong ikaw, wala, you don't want to have anyone, so, yes, go.
Saan ka ba?
Ngayon wala. Kaya talaga.
Mula sa hallway ay tanaw ni AJ ang pag-uusap ni James at Janray.
So I do my best, pero hindi yan.
Medyo nagsiselos po. Lagi naman po sila magkatabi. Pinapaselos na talaga ako.
Pagpasok sa dressing room ay kinausap ni AJ si Janray.
Ano masama doon? Bakit ba po kinausap ko ba si James o si Johnny o si Sean?
Hindi.
Nagsiselos ka?
Hindi.
Ano masama pag kinausap ko si James? Hindi ka naman yung crush.
Ang totoo kasi, halata kasi crush mo siya eh.
Ano halata?
Lagi naman kayo nag-uusap.
Ba't ikaw lagi kita nakakausap?
Kailan mo nakakausap?
Ngayon, kausap kita.
Lagi naman tayo nag-aaway ah.
Ba't kanina lang naglalaro tayo dyan?
Hindi naman tayo nag-uusap, naglalaro lang tayo dito.
Nag-uusap ka rin.
Hindi kita nga pinapansin eh.
Anong pinapansin mo ko ngayon?
So, pinapaniwanag ko nga lang sa'yo sinasabi ko, di ba? Kaya ngayon, ano ko na sa'yo, hindi nakatakapansin ka. Kaya nakatakapansin lang si Johnny, si Sean. Promise na yun, kahit matanggal ka pa, okay lang sa akin, hindi ako iiyak.
They're making yourself out like you don't deserve to be this.
Ang pinakaangat na anak ko yan grand winner will receive a grand prize of 1 million pesos worth of prizes courtesy of SM Supermalls. Kaninong sakripisyo ang magbubunga? Kaninong talento ang bibida? At kaninong anak ang aangat? Ito ang anak ko yan. Ni Jenjen dahil muling napiling weakest performer, si James kinausap si Jenjen.
You doesn't you did your best. It's still your bottom three. They're making yourself out like you don't deserve to be this.
According to James, Jinjin is not supposed to be in the bottom because the performance is very good. That's what according to him.
Ikaw ba? Nandito mo na competition, we should fight.
No, I'm not saying we won't fight. I'm just saying that you do not deserve to be in the bottom three right now. But that is so wrong of them to put you there. And I do not respect them doing that. The reasons they give was absolutely wrong.
You said that to me that's not good what they're doing. He said to me that's not good that you're gonna be in the bottom sweep. You shouldn't fight because it's not good and like that and like that. I wanna fight.
Sometimes you have to learn not to fight. Just know that you already made your mark here. Everyone knows your name, Jeju.
And I said to him, I wanna really fight. I don't wanna leave.
Matapos marinig ang mga opinion ni James tungkol sa desisyon ng mga judges, si Mommy Sarah nag-iisip kong sumuko at i-pull out na lang si Jenjen sa kompetisyon.
Ang iniisip ko lang talaga yung ano niya. kapakanan niya doon sa ano niya, yung hindi kami makatulog, masali na kami. Tapos yung hindi siya makatulog, yung kaba, yun lang ang iniisip ko. Ay, ayaw ko nang parang dagdagan. Kasi hindi naman niya alam kung talagang mananalo ba siya. Kasi yan ay ano din naman, elimination, competition. So paano kung ano doon na naman, yung boses niya, maging ganoon na naman. So, dadagdagan ng dadagdagan. Ang hirap kasi ng kaba ng batang to. Yung half niya ay willing to fight. Yung ano naman niya ay ano, nakakalito. Hindi ka makakatulog.
Yes, I can't sleep. I get nervous. Because some people are like that. Like Trisha, she was nervous, she was crying, but she did her best in the elimination like Johnny. They were still nervous, but they did their best in there, and they were still fighting. And I like to also fight. Whatever they say, I will still fight.
You really want to?
Yes, I really want to. Got my eyes. I really want to fight, Mom.
You don't want to rest.
I would just want to fight Mommy until the end.
Susunod sa anak kuya.
Sa pagiging artista, kung masama ang attitude mo, there's no place for you in showbiz. Kailangan marunong tayo rumespeto.
I saw you, and the way you were talking to her was so disrespectful.
Who the hell do you think you are? What's funny? Why are you doing this? Everybody's focusing. Pag may nakita akong tatao sa inyo, tatanggalin ko dila. Hoy! Ano ba ang problema mo? Sasampalin kita.
Sige, dapat mo ako hit me!
Ayaw mo mag-sorry.
Hindi naman sinasadya ng bata.
Ang bata, ayaw mo mag-sorry.